Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save website in Wix. So let's get started. So from in here, you can see that I have opened my Wix website editor. Now, if I made some changes, like for example, I add in a text. So I'll just click on add element. And then from in there, I will add in the text that I want to use. So for example, I add this one and I will attach it on a specific part of my actual website. So in here, as you can see, I have actually made a change. Now, if I want to save it, I can click on the save right here. But as you can see, autosave is turned on, so you don't need to just click on this right here in order to manually save it. So you can also turn autosave off on or. So to do that, just click on the shortcut, which is a Control-Alt-A. So let's try to do that, Control-Alt-A. And then as you can see, autosave is up. And then let's turn it on right here using the same command. As you can see, it's been turned on. So it will automatically save all of your changes on your website, and you should be able to see and actually save your progress even if you don't publish it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to save website and Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.